Alright folks, here it is again. A little later than normal this time, and I'm sorry about that. But while I open this up real quick with the last week's gearpack knife, give it a chance to like and subscribe, if you care to, at least a subscription. We're on to box 106, knife care. It's actually a good thing for this guy because I don't do a lot of knife care. There's your whole list of things. Without further ado, let's try and get in there and get through it as quickly as possible for you. Alright. You know what? Just for the giggles of it, we're just going to open up stuff as we go. We got the Marbles All-Purpose 6-in-1 sharpener. There's a little view on the back. And that comes in clear. Coarse grind, carbide. Interesting enough. As soon as, oh, no, that's the folding knife case, folding diamond. Is that a, no, it's not a folding diamond sharpener. So it looks like you have, there we go. It gives you all your different grinds with each turn. So depending on what you need, depending on what you get. That's kind of cool. I don't know why I see that. Oh, 6-in-1 blade sharpener. 25 bucks. These are all in Canadian dollars, by the way. What do we got? Let's grab this one because it's big. This looks like the Flitz, tactical gun and knife care kit, and this has a value of $46.99 or $47. So find it in the advanced box. The 6-in-1 blade sharpener comes in the basic box. Maybe I'll lay it all out by box here at the end. So yeah, that's just your tubes and stuff like that. I believe I got some of this stuff before. When they had their knife care kit the first time, but this was, they weren't all together like this. That's kind of nice. So put that over here for basic, and this is an advanced gearpack sticker. That's kind of cool. That was a bonus value. Move some of this mesh around. We got here Super Blade Rust Eraser. Now if I had a rusty blade, I would get on that, and I don't think I have any kicking around, but it almost feels like an eraser. Like really feels like an eraser, but $9 Canadian anyway. That's kind of cool. I'll have to check that out. That was also in your basic box. And make sure I'm not missing anything. Yeah, I am. Look at that. Wrapped up in here. Good thing I was reading stuff. There's a 2-pack of gearpack microfiber cloths. It's always a good thing to have. Let's see how big these are. And these have a value of $5.50. So they're not a bad size. Look what it says on there. A couple inches by a few inches, six or 8, I believe it was. Oh, they don't actually give you a size on there. I'm going to give them a good 8 inches by 8 inches. But they were also in your basic. And then, let's see what we got in here. I know we got a Marbles in there. This is from Ultra? Yeah, Ultra X. It'll make too bad of knives. This is supposed to be the ripple liner locker, maybe? Well, you know the normal test. Same piece of wood from last time, so it makes it kind of consistent. Definitely decent that way. Let's grab the bun. You'll have to forgive me on this part. It takes me a moment to get up. Alright, a freshie from today. They do have a bit of a crust. Oh wow. Once it gets in there though, it's nice. Wish that would focus better. Nice cuts. Alright. And I'm going to say that is the Ultra X Ripple Liner Locker knife, and that has a value of $60, and that would be in your ultimate box. So I'll put that over there. I'll make sure I'm not doing this. Okay. Last few items, guys. We got the Flitz Folding Tactical Gun and Knife Care Kit. That's what this has got to be for sure. Yeah. Beautiful. And that has a value of $47 and came in your advanced box with the folding knife case. There we go. That's what that was. Not the care kit, but the folding knife case. And then last but not least, we've got the folding diamond sharpener liner lock, it says. So that, you know, they make things kind of confusing on here, and why did I get into it that way? From Rough Rider. So, just your basic sharpening stone. And that has a value of $34. So there it is, folks. That's this week's, or this month's box. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.